Sai Ram class, how are you all? I hope that you all are very fine. So class, as we had completed our chapter number 11 in our textbook as well as in our workbook. Now today we will start our chapter number 13, fields and fences. Today we will gonna learn about the concept of this chapter. So let's start from first page of this chapter, where there is a story of a farmer named Rahmat. Rahmat is a farmer. He grows wheat in his field. Now what he is thinking that I need a fence around my field. This is his field and he wants a fence around his field, and he's thinking that how much wire should I buy? So we have to help him to find out how much he will need, how much wire he will need. So let's see. Now we have given the measurement of all the side of Rahmat's field. You can see here, this side is of 9 meter, this side is of 15 meter, this longer side is of 21 meter, and this side is also of 9 meter. Now Rahmat needs to find the length of the boundary to know that how much wire he will gonna need to fence his field. Now can you find it from this picture? So yes, we can find, because we have given the length of all the sides, and we can find the length of boundary of this field by adding all these sides. Now see the length of each side written near it. Now let's help him to find the length of boundary. So you can see here, now he is saying that the boundary is 54 meters long. Now how he is able to know that the boundary is 54 meters long? By adding 9 with 15, then with 21, and then with 9. So we also can do it to check whether his calculation is correct or not. So we have to add 9 with 15 and then 21 and then again 9. So after adding them, we will get to know that the field is of how much meter long. So let's add all these numbers. Now we will get to know that yes, the boundary is 54 meter long. You can check this answer by your own also by doing this sum in your rough notebook. Now let's see what we have further. Now he get to know that how much length of wire he will gonna need. He will gonna need 54 meter long wire to fence his field. Now the further thing is, Rahmat bought a roll of 70 meter wire for the fence. Okay. Now let's see what we have further. Now as he bought 70 meter of wire, now Ganpat is thinking that I should also do the same for my field. Now what he asked to Rahmat that, can you give me the wire that is left with you? I will use it for my field. So Rahmat will agree and say, oh sure, why not? Now what we have to do, we have to answer that how much wire did Rahmat give to Ganpat. Now we all know that the length of wire Rahmat bought is 70 meters and the length of boundary of his field is 54 meters long. So that means we have to subtract 54 from 70. So that means 16 meter of wire Rahmat will give to Ganpat. Now the further thing is, Ganpat thanked Rahmat and started fencing his own field. But he needed to get more wire. Now you can see here, this is the field of Ganpat and we have given the length of all its boundary. You can see here the length of this side is 15 meter, the length of this side is 15 meter and the sum of both these sides is more than 16 meter. So that means yes, Ganpat will need more wire. So we have to answer how long is the boundary of Ganpat's field. So for this what we have to do? We have to add all these length of all the side of Ganpat's field. That is, we have to add 15 with 15, then with 9, then with 18 and then with 9. You can see here 15 add with 15 with 9, 9 and 18. So the length of Ganpat's field's boundary is 66 meter. Now the further question is, how much more wire will Ganpat needed for his field? As we all know that Rahmat gave only 16 meter of wire to Ganpat and the length of boundary of Ganpat's field is 66. So he will gonna need how much more? 66 minus 16, that is 50 meter more wire to fence his field completely. Okay, so what we learned so far, that to find out the length of boundary, we have to add the length of all the side of given field. Okay, now let's see what we have further. Now here we have some activity, that is practice time. Here are pictures of some more fields and we have to find out which one has the longest boundary. So to answer that which one has the longest boundary, we have to find the length of all the fields, length of boundary of all the given fields. So this is the A, the field A. You can see here the field A is having one side is of 6 meter, another side is of 15 meter, third side is of 24 meter and the fourth side is of 15 meter. Now we have to add all the four sides, and after adding 15 with 15, then with 24 and 6, we will have some 60 meter. That means the sum of the boundary of field A is 60 meters. Now let's see field B. So it is this kind of, you can see here the figure of field B. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boundaries, means 6 sides of this field, and the first side is of 6 meter, another is of 6, third one is of 6, then the fourth one is also of 6 meter, fifth one is of 12 meter and sixth side is of 9 meter. After adding all these sides, we will have some 42 meters. So that means the sum of boundary of field B is 42 meters. Now let's move on to the next field, that is field number C, and it is in the shape of a triangle having 3 sides. One is of 9 meter, another is of 12 meter and third one is of 15 meter. After adding all the three sides, we have a sum of 36 meters. And then this is field number D. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, and after adding all its side, we will have, that is, we have to add 15 with 9, then another 15, then one more 15, then 9, and then one more 15. So after adding all of them, what we will get? We will have 9 plus 9, that is 18, and 1, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 15s. That is, we can do one thing. We can directly multiply 4 with 15 and we will have answer 60. Now 60 plus 18 is 78. Okay class. So that means the sum of boundary, that is the length of boundary of field D, is 78 meter. Now we also have to answer that which field has longest boundary. So we can see here field D has longest boundary. So our answer is field D has longest boundary. Now the next activity is Chandu's father is called the young old man in his village because at 70 years of age he is fully fit. Do you know his secret? He goes for a walk around the field every morning. Every day he takes 4 rounds of Chandu's field. Now we have given the figure of Chandu's field and his father goes every day 4 rounds of this field. That is why he is so fit. Now the question is, what is the total distance he covers? Now we all know that he goes how much round? He goes 4 rounds. So first we have to answer or find out the length of boundary of this field. Then we have to multiply that number with 4 and we get to know how much distance he covers in a day. So let's see how we have to do it. Now you can see here the sum of 100 with 150 with another 150 and with last 100 is 100, 200, 350 and then 500. So the length of boundary of this field is 500 meters. Now we all know that Chandu's father goes 4 rounds every day. So we have to multiply 500 meters with 4 and we get 2000 meter. Now we have to convert this 2000 meter in kilometers also. We all know that to convert meter in kilometer, we have to divide that number with 1000. So when we divide 2000 with 1000, we get 2 kilometer as answer. So that means the total distance he covers is 2 kilometer. Okay. Now the next question is, Ganpat's wife works in a tailor shop. She has to fit lace around a tablecloth. She bought a 100-meter roll of lace. Now look at the picture of the tablecloth and tell how much lace is used for one tablecloth. So you can see here, this is the picture of tablecloth. It has 1 meter 50 centimeter length and it is 50 centimeter wide. So what we have to do, we have to add this 1 meter 50 centimeter with this 1 meter 50 centimeter. So it will come 2 meter 100 centimeter. And this 50 centimeter add with 50 centimeter, we get 100 centimeter. And we all know that we have 100 centimeter in a meter. That means we can write 1 meter in place of these 200 centimeters. So 2 meter plus 1 meter plus 1 meter, that is total 4 meter. So that means how much meter of lace will use for one tablecloth is 4 meter of lace. Now the further question is, how much lace will be used in 3 such tablecloths? Now we all know that a 4 meter of lace is used for 1 tablecloth. So 3 into 4 meter of lace will use for 3 such tablecloths. That is 3 into 4 equals to 12 meter. Now the next question is, how much lace will be left in the roll? Now we all know that the roll is of 100 meter and only 12 meter lace is used for 3 such tablecloths. So that means 100 minus 12, that is 88 meter lace will left out in the roll. Okay class? Now what we learned so far in this chapter is how we can find the length of boundary of given thing, whether it is field, you can see here whether it is field or if it is about a cloth. Okay, so we will gonna learn more things in this chapter and do very interesting activities in our next classes. Till then, you have to practice these questions, addition, subtraction and multiplication in your home. Till then, thank you class.